friends, so if you want to run on this deal, you have an opportunity to score some very cheap or completely free Axe um, fine fragrance mist. So specifically, see the one that says blue lavender and it's got that cool design. That's the one that we're going to be grabbing 4 of at Walgreens for $9.99. You also have to do this deal in store. Do not do this as a curbside offer. You have to do it in store. And not all stores carry this fine fragrance mist. If you head over to your Ibata, they're giving back $3 for each of these body sprays. And it has to be the larger one. It also says 23 hours left, meaning it's kind of precarious when this is going to go. So the sooner that you can get over to Walgreens and do this deal, definitely open up your Ibata app before you go to checkout and scan the barcodes of your sprays to ensure you're grabbing the right ones and that the rebate is still there so they don't like pull that rug under your feet, just so you're one step ahead of Ibata. Where the deal gets very sweet is because multiple apps have rebates for Axe right now. So you're going to get an extra 5,000 points back from Fetch because spend 15, get back 2,500, and the price of these, you're going to surpass the $30 threshold. We're going to look at this deal also using a booster and then using no booster, 2 different ways. So the first way we're going to look at is if you might have this, 5 back when you spend 20, and then 6 back when you spend 25 would also work as well if you didn't use it earlier in the week. You possibly could use it for this deal. And we have this digital coupon also, which is a $7.50 off a 2. I'm not sure if any of the inserts had one like this last week, but if you have it, definitely use it. And then over on your Shop Meum account too, there should be a similar rebate that you should qualify for that. With Shop Meum, you're buying 4 of them, you're only using 1 digital coupon, so the second one you should qualify for $7.50 back, which is a lot. The promotion for this week is a $5 reward, so a $5 register reward when you spend 20 or more on the personal care or bath for Axe, and you have hit that threshold for personal care with this deal. So looking at this, and remember we're doing this in store, the fine fragrance mists at $9.99 a pop. They are a lot more expensive than the brick deodorant, but this is predicated with Ibata. That's why we're going for the fine fragrance mist. $39.99. Have your booster loaded of spend 20, get back 5. We have 1 digital coupon coming off, which is a $7.50 off a 2. With your debit card, pay $32.46. Get back $5 register reward for spending 20 on Axe Fine Fragrance Mist, $5 Walgreens cash as well for your booster. Then with your receipt, you're going to photograph it to Shop Meum. Make sure you have that rebate back of $7.50 back for 2 Axe. Photograph your receipt also to the Fetch Rewards app for 5,000 points back. You're going to get $3 back for each from Ibata, so that's $12 back. So it essentially makes this completely free. Remember to use your debit card as you're using that booster of spend 20, get back 5. And with the in-store deal, remember you need to scan everything in the Ibata app to make sure that that rebate is still there. It's working on both the Fine Fragrance Mist and XLs, so scan the 2 different ones. If your store is limited with these mists, it's an opportunity to make it happen. Now, if you do not have this, let's look at this deal a different way, not using a spend booster, but just doing this deal on its own. I know not everybody towards the end of the week will have this. So grabbing 4 of those mists for $39.99. Have that $7.50 off a 2 digital loaded. You're going to use $20 of Walgreens cash. You're going to pay $12.45. If you may have a manufacturer register rewards that you wish to throw in, by all means go for it. You're going to get back a $5 register reward for spending 20 on this product. $7.50 back from Shop Meum. Photograph that receipt for $5,000 back from Fetch, and then Ibata you're getting $12 back, making it $2.96 for the 4 or 74 cents per. And you're doing this one without a spend booster. A loss of $20 in Walgreens cash, but look what you're getting back for the rest. So I think this is not a bad little deal. Now, if you're going to go run on this deal, I can't stress it enough to open up the Ibata app because $12 is coming back from this specific app. You got to ensure, guys, that you're picking up the right stuff and that this rebate is still there. That is the most critical thing, just so you don't get shortchanged at the till. So definitely, open up the app, scan those barcodes, and make it happen. One last piece of business before I skedaddle. 5 back when you buy 4 Halloween items, $3.99 or more. This starts on the 15th, which is Sunday, and goes right till the 22nd, which is the following Sunday. So it's not happening this week, but we can load this booster right now if you might be so lucky to get it. But please pay attention to those specific dates. I almost fell in a trap and made a matchup for this, but it's for next week. As always, thanks for watching. We'll catch you in the next one. Bye, guys.